Welcome to today's episode, where we're diving deep into the future of Thu Thiem, Ho Chi Minh City's new CBD extension. By 2025, this area will be buzzing with large-scale projects, new transport links, and more. What do you think, Bea? Is Thu Thiem the next big thing?
Oh, absolutely. It's positioned as the new heart of the city, right across the river from District 1. The master plan is massive, mixing offices, luxury residential towers, retail, and even cultural spaces. There's definitely a lot to unpack here, but it also comes with its risks. What's your take on that?
True, there's a lot of excitement, but execution is key. The area's infrastructure is still developing. We're talking about new bridges, tunnels, and metro lines. While these will surely drive up demand, the absorption cycle can be slow. It's a waiting game for those looking for returns.
Right. And speaking of the demand side, we're seeing a lot of interest from high-net-worth locals and corporate expats looking for premium housing. The area's proximity to District 1 and its modern infrastructure certainly makes it attractive for residential buyers. But, as you said, it's not without its risks.
Exactly. For residential units, we're seeing prices range from $200,000 to over $2 million, depending on the size and location. A one-bedroom apartment could cost around $900 to $800 per month in rent. But for the high-end units, those numbers can shoot up pretty quickly. How do you feel about these rental prices?
It's definitely a premium market. But given the quality of developments by major names like Vingroup and Keppel, it's no surprise. These luxury units, especially with views of the river or park, are bound to hold their value long-term. Still, there's a risk with the large-scale supply coming in. That could affect how quickly these properties are rented out.
Speaking of large-scale supply, we have to address the absorption issue. There's a lot of new office space coming online too. Many businesses are eyeing Grade A offices in Thu Thiem, but the leasing cycles could take a while. It's a balancing act between supply and demand.
Totally. And don't forget the timing risks. Some of the big projects might face delays, especially with construction and infrastructure. A delay in a major bridge or metro line could seriously impact the leasing cycle and demand. How would you recommend an investor approach this?
The best strategy is a medium to long-term view. Think 5 to 10 years. Investors need to be patient, wait for the area to mature, and for capital appreciation to kick in. Short-term flips, probably a high-risk move. But for those targeting long-term growth, Thu Thiem offers huge potential.
Agreed. And for those thinking of investing, sticking with top-tier developers and premium projects would be wise. These are the ones that'll likely outperform in terms of sales and resale value. Avoid those mid-tier off-plan projects unless you're sure about the delivery schedule.
And let's not forget the value drivers. Things like proximity to District 1, the quality of the developer, and the amenities in the area. These all play a big role in determining the overall value. If you can get a unit facing the river or park on a higher floor, you're in a good spot.
Absolutely. The future is bright, but it's all about the right strategy and due diligence. Buyers need to carefully assess the developer's track record, inspect show units, and ensure all legal and financial aspects are in order.
That's the key, being informed and strategic. Thu Thiem might be the next big CBD, but navigating its market requires a smart, long-term approach. What do you think, Bea? Are you ready to dive into Thu Thiem?
Definitely. I think the area has immense potential, but patience is key. It's exciting to see how it all unfolds. For now, it's about making the right calls, whether you're investing or looking to rent.
Well, that's all for today's deep dive into Thu Thiem's 2025 market. We'll keep an eye on how this area develops. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll break down the latest trends in the real estate market. Thanks for listening.
See you next time, everyone.